All right, we are recording for our friends who aren't here. Happy Tuesday.
Tuesday.
All right. We were just talking about having tools, just even knowing that we have tools and really being able to pull them up in the heat of the moment. When you're really under the gun, when it's go time. It's what we practice for. So let's begin today's seated. Can you practice gratitude when someone is sitting in front of you, pissing you off? Can you practice peace even when you're in some kind of a real deal storm? Place your hands on the front of your knees and just do a little seated cat-cow, arching your back, really letting it fall, bringing your chin to your chest, really stretching out the top of your back. Let your back fall out even further. Just really concave your belly, maybe suck in that low belly. Inhale and exhale, and then pull your chest forward. Squeeze your shoulder blades together behind you. Lower those shoulders. Bring the crown of the head toward the sky again. Zip up that belly, and then really tall here. Breathe in, breathe out. Your own seated cat-cow. Again, arch your back, round your back. Do what feels good here. Arching, rounding, starting to move this vertebrae in this one direction. If there's any amount of virus and bacteria inside your body, we're moving it through today. I am happy. I am healed. I am whole. Bring your hands up to the sky. Inhale, reach. Turn your gaze up through your thumbs. Exhale, twist to the right. Really turn your chin over to that right shoulder. Breathe in and then exhale as you twist a little deeper. Inhale, come to center. Reach your hands up to the sky and then exhale, fold forward over those crossed legs. Stay here in this fold, and as you just kind of rock back and forth, left to right, really pulling through each side of your low back there. Walk your fingertips a little further, and then inhale big as your body lifts up. Exhale, fold. Let the head drop. Let it hang really heavy. Do a little inventory through the body. Notice where you're holding on and notice where you can release. Slowly come up, reach both hands to the sky, gaze between the thumbs. Inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Let that left hand drop behind you. Grab onto that knee and twist. Turn your chin all the way to that shoulder. Even open your eyes and look past your left ear. Inhale back to center, reach hands to the sky. Exhale, fold forward over bent legs. Let the head drop. 3 deep breaths here in this fold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. One breath, one movement to the right and left side. Again, reach the hands up. Breathe in. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold over bent legs. Inhale, reach to the sky. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach. Exhale, place your hands right down by your hips and see if you can give yourself just a little bump up. So lift your butt up off of the ground. A little hover. Set your butt back down, reach up. Exhale, set your hands down by your hips and then just lift your butt up. Just notice if you can get even a little air under that butt and then let it down. Inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, place the hands by the hips and lift. And then come over onto all fours. Hands directly under the shoulders, knees directly under those hips. Wag your tail back and forth to the left and to the right. And then really sit it back. Sit over that left heel. Inhale, come up to all fours, and then exhale, sit over the right heel. Yes. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, come to all fours, and then flip the hands over so it's the back of the hands to the mat. You can bring them a little closer to your knees, if you will. And then just do a little rock back and forth, really exercising those wrists, keeping them healthy. Some people have never even stretched their wrists in such a good way. And sometimes they wait until it's too late, and then the tool is so hard to find. Come back to all fours, a little cat-cow again, drop the belly, push the chest through the arms, lift the head up to the sky, tail to the sky, and then exhale, round the spine, tuck the tail, chin to chest. Really push that high back up to the sky. Be really intentional. Drop the belly, push the chest through, crown of the head to the sky. Inhale big. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tail. Tuck the toes under and lift the heels up just an inch or two. Then extend that right leg back. See if you can keep that left leg hovering. See if you can keep your hips square to the ground. Really flat back. If I were to put a martini right in the center of your back, you would not spill a drop because it would be a dirty, dirty martini. Rotate the ankle around in both directions, counterclockwise and clockwise. Body is giving me a little bit of a shake, showing me that it's there and alive, paying attention. Put those right toes back on the ground. Your knees are still hovering, paying attention. Bring your focus into your hands here. Push the fingertips into the mat. And then extend that left leg back. Right knee is hovering. Flex that back foot, point the toe, and then rotate that around in both directions. Healthy ankles, healthy wrists. Set those toes back down. Drop the knees, and then extend that right hand out. Extend the left leg back. Again, finding equal pressure on that left hand and the right knee. Looking down at the ground in front of you, feeling a really long aligned spine. That power cord that's running all the way down our body. Keeping all our neurons firing. Inhale, reach, and then 3 squeezers. So knee to elbow underneath you. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squeeze, knee to elbow. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squeeze. Set that hand down. Push it back into child's pose. Give it a quick reset. Let the forehead hit the mat. Hips falling right toward those heels. Really waking up that backside body. Coming back to all fours, and then extend that left hand out. Extend the right leg back. Again, really flat back. Hips are square to the ground. Inhale, reach. Squeeze that right butt cheek. Exhale, squeeze knee to elbow. Inhale, reach, get long, and crunch into the smallest ball possible. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squeeze. Really focus on your breath. Push up into downward facing dog. Rock those hips side to side. Bend one knee and then bend the other. Walk that dog. Let the head hang. Shake it no. Shake it yes. Takes more effort for me to shake it yes. I don't know. How about you? To say yes to something. And then find stillness in your downward facing dog. Soft knees. Heels are reaching toward the back of the mat. Chest is pushing toward those upper thighs. Let's begin Sun A salutation. Inhale, come to tippy toes, bend the knees, peek up to the hands, float the feet up to the hands, land soft. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to the knees, shoulders away from the ears, and then exhale, fold into ragdoll. Let's stay here in ragdoll for a couple extra breaths to begin. Grab opposite elbows. Make sure your feet are shoulder width apart. Rock front to back on your feet, to your toes and then to your heels. And then maybe to the outsides of your feet and then the insides. Spread those toes out really wide. Get a really firm base. Soft knees, and then again, hang the head. Breathe. Really breathe. Can we come to peace? Can we come to compassion? Can we give the person in front of us a generous assumption? If we were as generous as we could be about what it is they're experiencing, we can bring more peace to ourselves. Plant that left hand on the ground, bend the left knee, swim open the right hand to the sky, twist open. Turn your gaze to the top hand, really lift out of the weight of the bottom hand. Pull that right hip back, exhale down. Right hand is down, left hand swims open. Reach it to the sky, pull the left shoulder back, gaze up past your fingertips. Exhale down. Slowly, slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Come all the way to standing. Lift the head, reach the hands to the sky, gaze up between those thumbs. Tuck your tail under so you really engage that body. Lower the shoulders away from the ears. One deep breath here in this really grounded mountain, extended mountain, and then inhale, reach the hands, grab left wrist, side bend to the right. Inhale, reach both hands up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Body is cooperating with our mind. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift. Plant the hands, step it back, and then I want you to give me 3 yogi push-ups before you go down and into up dog. Whatever that means for you, however low you go is fine. 3 yogi push-ups, you got this. And then lower down, inhale up dog. Squeeze the butt, push the tops of the feet into the mat, lift the knees up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Soft bend in the knees, letting the chest push toward those thighs as your tail really points to the sky. Let the head hang heavy. Inhale, come to tippy toes. Bend the knees. Float it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold into ragdoll. Grab opposite elbows here in ragdoll. Again, rocking to the outsides of the feet and then the insides. Letting the head hang. Plant the left hand, bend the left knee, swim open the right hand. Twist. Exhale down. Inhale, twist. Left hand to the sky. Exhale down. Inhale, stand all the way up. Grab left wrist, side bend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, side bend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift and then plant those hands, step it back. 3 yogi push-ups. Lower down. Inhale, up dog. Yes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Guys, this sun A salutation is a tool because it can be mindless because we know it. So all the way back through your sun A, one breath, one movement. Inhale to tippy toes, bend the knees, float up. Halfway lift, ragdoll. Plant the left hand, twist to the right, lift up, exhale down. Right hand down, twist to the left, exhale down. One vertebrae at a time. Bring it all the way up, extended mountain, soft knees. Grab left wrist, side bend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, side bend. Inhale, reach. Fold. Halfway lift and vinyasa. 3 push-ups if you want. Up dog. And down dog. Lift those right toes to the sky, 3-legged dog. We're gonna pull this energy through the body. We're gonna make this count. Inhale, point the toe. Exhale, 3 squeezers to the knee. To the nose. Knee to nose, point it back up and squeeze it. Inhale, squeeze. And then step it forward for crescent on the knee. Reach those hands to the sky. Really lunging forward. Make sure you can wiggle those front toes. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. And then step it up for warrior 1. And then warrior 2. Open it up to a T and ninja squats, back, front, back. Really sit it down. Ninja to the front. Push those hands together. Keep your chest lifted. And then all the way to the front, airplane. Fly those arms, fly them out. Chest lifts forward and down a little bit while the back leg lifts up. How we show up in stress really says something about our character. How we support those that love us. Come to a standing leg raise. So our left knee is lifted. And then grab onto that left foot with your right hand, dancing Shiva. So we're twisting. You can also grab onto the knee. Yep, see if you can turn your gaze all the way to that back hand. And swim it down. Step it back, high plank to low. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing. 3 breaths here in down dog. Reset. Reset. Rhythm and routine. We're finding it. We know it's here. Everything works out for us. Even when life is teaching us a little something, it works out. Left toes reach to the sky, 3 squeezers. Exhale. And inhale. And when you're ready, step it forward for crescent on the knee. Ooh, feeling that juicy lunge. Swimming the hands to the sky. And then standing all the way up for warrior 1. Reach up. Both hips are forward. And then really get down into it, warrior 2. We are a warrior, shining this heart, giving ourselves the peace and the grace inside. And then straighten those legs. Big star here. Ninja squat, back, front, back. You can stand me up at the gates of hell, but and then all the way up, airplane on the left side. Back leg is lifted. Chest falls forward, back leg reaches back. And then come to standing leg raise, dancing Shiva. So left hand goes to the right knee or the right foot. Twist your gaze to the right. There ain't no easy way out. And set it down. High to low plank. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And then drop down into child's pose, stretch it out. We're going to set up for pigeon on the right side. So push up into downward facing dog. Lift those right toes to the sky. Bring all that space and grace into that center body. And then pull that right knee into the right elbow. Set it back, lift your heart up. And then leading with that chest, lay it down over bent leg. I am healthy. I am healed. I am whole.
Hey, baby. Oh, there ain't no easy way out.
Our physiological body is so determined on what happens between our ears and how all of those chemicals can dump into the body, protecting us. Stay fucking healthy for Wheatland. I need you to be here. Oh.
Hey,
Our
baby.
cells are alive and bouncy.
There ain't no easy way out.
We can take care of those around us as long as we're filled up with goodness and love.
My ground, and I won't back down. No, I won't back down. No,
If there's any part of this right side pigeon that's not surrendering, just let it go. This is the practice. Noticing where we're uncomfortable and where there's tension. And choosing to stay there for just a little bit longer and finding some release, some surrender. Higher power.
Or you can be yourself. Yeah, you can be yourself. Say what you want. I don't care where it goes. If I'm gonna love you completely.
Gently come out of the right side. Do what you need to do to bring blood and flow into that right leg again. Push up into downward facing dog.
You can trust me completely.
Wag the tail back and forth.
Just asking for you to be yourself.
Come to tippy toes and then back down, and then lift those left toes to the sky. Three-legged dog. Get all the extension here and then lay it down. Pigeon on the left. So left knee to the left wrist. Sit all the way up. Get all that space and then lay it down over that bent leg. I am happy. I am healed. I am whole. Feeling all the juicy goodness of this pigeon, knowing that we're capable, everything works out for us. I don't know how, it always works out. Eventually, we begin to know that that's the truth. We believe in it, and it happens even quicker than before.
To diminish your word. Say what you want. I don't care where it goes.
I want to invite you guys to stay on your mat on your own for another 10 or 15 minutes, but I'm going to go and snap a cute picture of my girls. So if it suits you to come back up to seated, close out our practice by saying, I see the love and the light that's inside of you. So grateful to be here together, for my accountability partners in setting up this tool for myself 1 hour a week where I get to really be reflective, really think about what's good, and be in loving community with you. Namaste.
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 Here.
I'm happy, I'm healed, I'm whole.
Yes. It's whole, happy, heal, whole.
Happy, healed, and whole. Hi, Chase. I love you so much.
He's so pissed.
He's like, Sean, get better.
All right.
All right, I love you guys.
Love you guys.
Happy
Keep me
picture
posted.
day, girls. Hope your husband feels better so soon. Stay healthy.
I know. I'm glad everyone's better at your house, Laura.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
Stay healthy,
Again.
everybody.
Stay healthy. Bye.
Love you guys.
Here.
Bye.